Okay, well, thank you very much. Ito po, once again, Nico Fabian in our program, Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico. Today it's already Thursday, August 14 po. Nandito tayo, still in Malaysia. And this time around, nandito tayo, one of the states in West Malaysia, and they call it Perak. And nandito tayo sa Perak, and one of the newly, sabihin natin tourist attraction dito po sa Perak is sabi nila itong Hobbiton tourist attraction nila po. Nandito tayo ngayon, and I can see several tourists, domestic tourists coming from the different states and busy. A lot of them are taking pictures, no? Selfie. And I'm going to tour sa inyo po mamaya dito sa Hobbiton tourist attraction. And nandito po, this is the where you start your tour. This is where you're going to start your tour po. And of course, alright, okay. I just want to show to you, this is the starting point, okay? And you can see, of course, domestic tourists coming in. And this is the parking lot. And to start with, yes, this is it. All right. Okay. You hold on, I'm going to tour sa inyo mamaya. No? And yes. The Hobbiton. Alright. We are here. Alright, and this is the map. Alright, so you can see even the students are here, and this is where you buy your ticket. Okay, this is it. Yeah, this famous one, no? Maganda dito po, na sana tayo sa hill tayo po, no? And cooling, the atmosphere is cooling. The atmosphere is cooling. And yes, see a lot of tourists here. Okay. And we are going up. We will go up. I will show you talaga ang area nito. So, this is it. I'll bring you up. Yeah, you can see the scenery. Very nice scenery. Hold on. Okay. Mga plans nila po, no? Since this is a cool place. You can see tourists, domestic tourists. A lot of flowers, There's a lot of flowers, and you have to climb. Kailangan talaga tayo po, maglakad tayo dito sa bundok na ito. Okay, pero maganda naman. It's worthwhile. magpunta dito. So, on top of the hill tayo, mountain tayo, no? And enjoy yung mga tao dito, selfie sila. And yeah, garden. Alright, kita natin. Alright. Flowers. If you love flowers po, plants, dito na. Maganda. May mga air plants. Dito na po. Mga plant lovers, come here and you will really enjoy. So ito, once again, nandito tayo sa programa Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico. And ngayon, nandito tayo po sa Perak. Kahapon, I showed to you ang Twin Tower sa Kuala Lumpur. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa Perak. Alright. I want to show you ang scenery, ha? Konting exercise lang. Konting exercise and you will enjoy. And you will enjoy. See mga air plants. Air plants, this is what you call air plants. So mga plant lovers, this is the place that I would recommend sa inyo po. In the event nandito kayo sa Perak, don't miss this place. Entrance for senior citizens is only 20 ringgit per head. Dito na po. This is it. Let's enjoy. Selfie din tayo dito. And at least, maskin paano, we also managed to enjoy din ang view dito, no? Enjoy the view dito po. Maganda. Nice place to visit. And a lot of tourists. Yes, a lot of tourists. Maganda ang view. You see? This is the view. Oh, wow. Maganda ang view. So na lang po, you are enjoying what I'm showing you po dito po sa see some of the tourists are here now. Okay. No, dito mga tour. Sige lang, enjoy sila. You can ride the one, but if you don't want, then for exercise purposes, pwede naman. Pwede naman. So, with Nico, Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico. No? Hindi pa tayo natapos ang tour natin. We will see kung saan pa tayo pwede magpunta. Si mga workers here. But if you ask me, then yes, of course, I would recommend sa inyo to calm down. And kung nandito kayo, then come and visit this place. If you don't want, then you can go and use the cart. Or else you can walk for exercise purposes. That's good. No? It will take a few minutes. All right. Okay, let's move on to the other section of this tourist attraction. Okay. If you want to eat some ice cream, dito na po. This is the place. And yeah, they call it the Hobbiton Village. Hobbiton Village. All right. We have to go Hobbiton Village. We'll see the village. Tingnan natin po, what do they have here? Konting exercise lang tayo. Better exercise. And we are going down to the Hobbiton Village. Toon Village, huh? All right.
عشان لو طاحت هذه العدسة اتكسرت خلاص اودع مرة اودع.
All right. Ito na po.
Excuse me? Can I take a photo?
All right. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. Now you see the view. Okay. Yeah, I would say this is a perfect place for plant lovers. Plant lovers po, if you love plants, yes, you will enjoy. Definitely you are going to enjoy if you love plants. Different species of plants, huh? Alright. Background tayo muna. So, ito na po. And from here, I'm going to bring you to the other section of this tour attraction. All right. Okay, tingnan natin. What is inside? Let's see what is inside. All right. Ganda, no? Tingnan natin po. May mga turista. May mga tourists. They are taking selfie. And yes. Yeah, I would shout out muna tayo kay Mary Lou Pentojo is also watching itong programa natin, Nick Talk, The Real Talk with Nico. And it's August 14. August 14 na po. No? So ito ang special natin, no? The special program natin dahil nandito tayo sa Perak. And as what I promised, that habang nandito ako sa West Malaysia, every place that I'm going to visit, kung may mga tourist attraction nila, I'm going to put it in my vlogging program. No? Kunting exercise and saan pa tayo, huh? We have to climb climb to the other section po. To the other section. And let's move on. To my followers, I hope you're enjoying the view. And of course, I would say if you have time, opportunity, once you're here, don't forget to come and visit this place. Beautiful place. Alright, it's a beautiful place. So from here, saan tayo pupunta, ha? Okay. From here, you see the tourists? We will go up here. This is coffee shop, Hillview exit. All right. Coffee shop. It means we're going to the coffee shop. Konting exercise lang. Konting exercise. Then you will reach the, sabihin natin, Hilltop Coffee Shop. Ang gandang view po. Gandang view. And amazed talaga ako sa view po. Maganda. Cooling. The place is cooling. But kagaya mga senior citizens, medyo may kunting, we have to exercise. And while doing the exercise, climbing the hill po, kailangan konting rest. Kung hindi, mahirapan tayo mag-akyat dito. Mag-akyat dito. But anyway, okay, maganda. As what I said, maganda po. No regret in coming in. And yeah, waiting for other people also to come up. Then only I will show you ang sabihin natin ang coffee shop sa hill. No? Dito yun sa itaas, mamaya. I will show you. Mamaya I'm going to show you. Okay, nag-rest na tayo kunti. And I think it's about time for me to proceed. Continue ang hike natin po. Ang hike natin. Parang narinig ko po, ang daming ano na, no? May mga tao sa itaas doon. Maingay na. And sige, let's go up and see. Let's go up and see. Okay. Konting exercise. Kaya natin ito. Konting exercise. Na. Parang is on the other side. You can see ang coffee shop. Dito, I don't know what is this. Hold on. Alright. Alright. May mga views pa sila dito. Alright. Maganda, no? Nice view. So actually, kung nandito kayo po sa taas, you will really enjoy the view dahil maganda po ang scenery. 100% you will really enjoy kung you come to this place. 100% you're going to enjoy. So, sabihin natin habang naghintay-hintay tayo mga ibang turista coming up here. So, mag-rest muna tayo dito, no? Mag-rest muna tayo dito. And later on, I'm going to bring you, I will bring you dyan po sa coffee shop nila. On top of the hill. Ang coffee shop nila on top of the hill. So ito po, si Nico Fabian once again. Inviting you po. Medyo ano lang, medyo pagod to climb up here. But I tell you, is worthwhile. Worthwhile po. Maganda din ang view dito. Maganda ang view dito. And dami din mga turista. They come here. Huh? So it's a good, not only experiencing ang enjoying ang scenery ng lugar po, but also exercise na po para sa mga turista. Ha? Sa mga senior citizens po, exercise na ito. Hintayin natin po kung mayroong madarating dito. Okay, you can see. You can also climb up if you don't want to exercise. Mayroon din sila dito po. Ito, no? You can use this one to come up. Alright? Alright. So, yan po. Hintayin natin mga iba pang turista. Coming up. They coming up. So, okay, I'll bring you up ngayon. And let's go and see the coffee shop. Sa itaas yan po. On top of the hill, ang coffee shop. And let's start. Tapos na tayo ng kunting exercise. So, ngayon, let's go up. Up we go. Up we go. Hold on po, nandito na. Let's go up. Kunting exercise na lang. And then, we will see ang coffee shop dito po sa itaas. Alright. Sandali. Oh, dito na. Coffee shop. Ito pala ang coffee shop nila, no? It's worthwhile exercise natin po. Now you can see, ito ang coffee shop. You go inside. Alright. Nandito po. Pasok tayo. Let's go up. Alright. May din mga turista dumating. Okay. Akyat tayo. Maganda din. Nice place. Alright. Alright po, sana you're enjoying what I am sharing with you po. Ang clippings natin po, video clips. I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, to come here is a little bit expensive. But wala tayong problema. Habang nandito na tayo, what I have to do is record na natin para makashare din tayo sa mga kababayan ko po dyan dito sa Malaysia, dito sa West Malaysia, as well as sa mga kababayan natin po dyan sa Sabah, East Malaysia. Particularly dyan po sa Kota Kinabalu City, the Lone City in Sabah, East Malaysia. So, kumusta kayo mga kababayan? I hope you're enjoying it. And masking paano. So from here, I think I will be going to another state, another place, which is also a cooling place. It will take me another 1.5 hour drive, no? And It is like Baguio City. Maganda din yun po doon. And don't worry, I'm going to take you there. Pagdating ako doon, I will make sure that I will give you what you do, what you deserve. So with this, I would like to say once again, you're all watching in my blogging. Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Nico. And just sharing you on top of the coffee shop. Top of the coffee shop po. These are the things that you can see. Alright, beautiful. Perfectly done. Beautiful po. And yeah, let me bring you inside the coffee shop. Alright. Let me bring you inside the coffee shop. Nandito na tayo po sa loob. Yeah, maganda. The view is good. And yeah, after a hike. Alright, beautiful. Okay. Dito na po, they will be resting, enjoying food. Alright. So, eto na. This is the final stage dito po. Later on, I'll be going down sa souvenir shop and there is nothing much there anyway. But, yeah, I hope in one way or the other, I managed to entertain sa inyong lahat po dito sa programa natin, Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Nico. Today, August 14 po. And, don't worry, my next stopover, I will also make sure that I am going to share with you whatever I saw or experienced po. So, don't forget, stick lang kayo po dito sa programa natin na Nick Talk, the Real Talk with Nico. And once again, Nico would like to say thank you very much for making me a part of your day today. Malaysia, Sabah, Philippines, God bless us all. And I'll see you in my next episode. Bye!